for the opening of the hearings on the merits of the case and asked them to provide, by the 8th of September 2025, the names of any witnesses and experts they intended to call during the oral proceedings, as well as other information required by Article 57 of the Rules of Court. The parties communicated to the registry, within the time limit fixed, information concerning the witnesses and experts that they intended to call at the hearings. The Gambia indicated that it wished to call witnesses and an expert, whereas Myanmar stated that it intended to call only witnesses. By letters dated the 17th of October 2025, the registrar informed the parties of decision taken by the court in relation to the hearing of the witnesses and expert during the oral proceedings. The parties were in particular informed that the court had decided that the parties' witnesses and expert to be called by the Gambia would be heard in the order requested by each party. The parties were required to submit by the 18th of November 2025 a written affidavit for each of the individuals they intended to call as a witness at the hearings. The Gambia was also required to submit a written statement by the expert it intended to call to testify. The parties were also requested to provide, by the same deadline of the 18th of November 2025, unredacted copies of any previous statements or accounts given by the witnesses or expert called to testify during the oral proceedings, which have been annexed to their pleadings in redacted form. The letters underscored that the unredacted version of the affidavits, written statement of the expert, and prior statements or accounts provided by each party would be communicated to the judges and the other party, but would be treated as confidential and would not be made public, available to the public. By letters dated